Whenever you innovate, you're taking a risk. What is important in looking at how services are delivered by the public sector in Wales at present is actually to innovate, to think of new ways of doing things, cheaper ways, different ways. Whatever you try, there will be a risk. And what I'm anxious to get across to the public sector is that you do need to take those risks. Somehow there's a view that risk is wrong, that you mustn't take risks in the public sector. That way, the public sector never innovates, it never adapts to new ways of working, to the ways that our consumers need in terms of the current delivery of services. And my message as an auditor is, yes, take those risks, but they need to be well managed. It is quite likely that some of the ideas will fail, but people shouldn't be afraid of trying new ways. And so long as they go into developing new services, trying new things, understanding the risks, and having identified them and taken steps to manage them as well as they can, then as Auditor General, I will not be seeking to cast blame. Rather, I'll be seeking to find ways in which we can learn from both failure and success.